Hi and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be cooking some grilled chicken. Inside you will see how I proceed and with the rice, which I'm going to do in a rice cooker. So the first thing we need to do is to have all our ingredients. So let's see what we need. Of course, chicken and rice. We have here concentrated chicken broth. We have some olive oil. This one is mixed with vegetable oil. We have rosemary, we have smoked paprika, we have onion, no, this is onion salt, onion garlic powder, onion powder, and this is basil with some spicy cayenne pepper, salt and pepper, and we're gonna need to for the marinade. For the chicken, we're gonna need some wine vinegar, red wine vinegar. You can also put a white wine vinegar if you prefer. So this is what I'm going to start with. I'm going to start with the rice, which is very easy to do. And once the rice is cooking, we continue the rest. So this is my very easy rice to make. So I put 2 cups because I'm making a big quantity. I'm going to do 2 cups of rice, and I'm going to put 4 cups of water. And we're going to add some oil, maybe 1 tablespoon, this to 1 tablespoon and a half of the chicken, concentrated chicken broth. We're going to add some garlic powder, some onion powder, salt, pepper, that's very easy. You just mix it all up together. I'm going to put a little smoked paprika. It's going to give it a little taste and color. And I like to put basil too. And my last ingredient would be my spice here. And voila. That's it for the rice. We just blend everything together, mix everything, all ingredients, and we just let our rice cooker do the job. So I have a really simple rice cooker. It's like that. So you just put it inside, you plug it, put a cover, and there's cook and warm. So you put it to cook, and it's gonna do the job by itself. So let's take care of our chicken for now. In fact, always do the marinade first. So for my marinade, I'm gonna put oil, at least half a cup. I'm putting also a little red wine vinegar. I'm gonna add rosemary. Basil. Of course, salt and pepper. I really need a better one. The pepper. It looks nice, but it takes a lot of work to have the amount of pepper I like. So here we're gonna go also with onion powder. So this is gonna be our base for our marinade. You could put real garlic if you want, but the real garlic, because it makes when it burns on the plate, not the cooking surface that I will show you after. When you do it on the cooking surface, then it burns more. So that's why I prefer to use my marinade, especially for that type cooking, because it's not a barbecue. It's I will show you later, but it's a cooking surface with stripes. So we're gonna put also smoked paprika. Same for a little kick of spice. I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper. So I already put all my ingredients. Yep. So this is gonna be our base marinade. Just mix it. Yep, I'm gonna add too a little bit of sugar. This is approximately a teaspoon. It's gonna bring a little sweet, but not too much. I realize I need a little bit more oil if I want to cover properly. I don't want to add too much of vinegar because it has a strong taste. So this way, that's good. So we're gonna prepare our chicken to marinate. So I like to clean my chicken properly, and I'm gonna also cut it in like in two, not two like that, but two in the on the thickness side, because this is too thick, and by the time it cooks, it's not as tender as I like it. So I'm going to show you what is how I fix it, how I do it. There's a little. I'm removing everything that's going to be not interesting to swallow, to chew, in fact. So this side is quite flat. I'm going to come to cut this side. It's going to make me a fillet, and more easy to cook and more easy to more fast, more easy. And because it's going to cook fast with all the stripes, all the lines I'm putting inside, it's going to cook fast. First, it takes the flavor of the marinade. Second, it's going to cook fast, so the meat is not going to turn dry or hard. And also when we're going to cook it, it's going to cook faster, and it's going to stay juicy, and it will not dry. Okay, so let's make flavor everywhere on the chicken, on each piece of chicken fillet. And we're gonna let this marinate. You can let it overnight. If you're going to, like me, we're gonna eat it today, like tonight, because it is evening time. I let it marinate at least half an hour. So that's our nice chicken that's going to marinate for at least half an hour or even more if required. So my rice is cooking very well. It's boiling, so we're gonna let it. And by itself, it's gonna come to warm, but I like to um, mix it once a while. So it's time now to cook the chicken after it marinated for half an hour, 1 hour, depending how long you can do it. If you want to do it the day before, that's fine as well. So I'm using here a pan with stripes. So it's like a grill, and you can use it on the top of the oven. So I open the heat of the two on the front and the back one. So it's gonna all come hot, very hot, and we're gonna sizzle the chicken on top of this. So the first thing I do is I put some, I have your little spray of oil, just so it don't stick. I buy this at the dollar store, like maybe $2, $3. I don't remember exactly, but it's very helpful and it sprays well, uh, and it saves, on oil, and you can use it on many applications. So it's coming hot, but it needs to be very hot so it's going to seize the meat and it's going to cook fast. Once we put the meat, all of it, we can lower a little bit the heat of the stove. So I'm gonna try to rub as much the marinade I can. That's exactly the sound that we're looking for. I'm gonna try to put them all. So I clean my pan so we don't want any problem with the chicken, with the bacteria or anything. Put it a little bit lower, like maybe medium high, because we don't want it to burn. We want it to fry and cook nicely. So once you see all the white around it, it means it's almost time. See? Yeah. Look at that color. It's very beautiful. So if you go by size, this is surely done. You look at it. It's all white. That's what we want. This one is done already. So we can close the back one. This one I need to cook a little bit. I can close both now because it's so hot and it's going to continue cooking. So I have to remove it as fast as I can. So I'm pretty sure this is done. Look, inside is all white. Let's remove this and put it in the sink or somewhere where it's going to be safe. Okay. Let's cover our meat and let it rest for at least 10 minutes. So the rice is cooked and the nice chicken is ready to serve and eat. And that's nice. Usually I would serve with the broccoli. Um, I'm gonna do them later. Let's just taste it. Bon appetit. To cook it this way, the chicken is so tender. You have no idea. It's tasty with the marinade. It's really, really very good. So, hope you like this recipe. Very simple. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you for the next recipe.